In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use Google Maps to help with your job search.
Don't you know who I am? I'm the Juggernaut, bitch!
Hi job seekers, Mike with Jobbernaut. At Jobbernaut, we offer you tips to get your resume to the top of the pile, nail that interview, land that next career, and start to create that life you've been dreaming of. Whether you're looking for another job in your field or new to an area and maybe not sure what companies are out there, or even 16 years old and looking for your very first job, today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps to find a job, find companies to apply to that are in your area. Let's dive in. Let's say that you are in Atlanta and you are looking for an electrician position. So these are all the companies that are coming up in Atlanta for electrician. And on the left-hand side here, you can see the ratings, and we know you gotta kind of take those with a grain of salt. Pretty convenient. I can click on good old Pat Murphy Electric here. I have probably a website I can go to for a quick apply. But let's say you are more of a commercial electrician. I can type in commercial electrician. We'll get some different ones possibly. And what I like about Google Maps is I can see which ones are close to me. So let's look at a few other examples. Let's say you are in Charlotte. We're in Charlotte here, and you are looking for roofing companies. You're a roofer, you gotta spell it right. You are a roofer, you gotta spell it right. You are a roofer. So I'm looking for roofing companies. So look at all of these roofing companies. Are you on the south side of Charlotte, north side? Ratings, phone numbers, websites, really convenient. And maybe you're new to the area and you're not really sure what's around. You could just do a Google search, but again, what I like about this is you can see what is close to where you are located, what's close by, what's gonna be an easier drive, what has good ratings. Let's say you are in Dallas and you are in the banking industry. So let's look for banks and type in banks and look at these. You guys get the idea now? You with me? For you younger kids, let's say pick a city, state, bum, 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 bum. Let's go to Chicago. Why not? Let's go to Chicago. Again, you gotta spell it right. You're in Chicago and you're looking for your first job, and let's say you wanna work at a supermarket. Type in supermarket, boom, search, away you go. Look at all these supermarkets. Fat Lee Supermarket, that sounds interesting. Quick and easy, definitely can be helpful. If you like this type of content, gently tap that subscribe button or smash it, whatever you're feeling. I know job searching is exhausting, but stay positive, stay consistent, stay motivated. That new job is just a click away. If you're looking for more tips, consider watching this video here, what you should be considering before you even start your job search, before you even get your resume out there. More tips to come, stick around. See you guys next time.